Hey everyone, I'm here to introduce you to yet another addition to our innovative family of ceramic products, Griot's Garage Ceramic Trim Restorer. The ultimate solution for renewing, enhancing, and protecting your vehicle's trim, tires, and more. Is your vehicle's plastic trim starting to look faded and worn out? Do you have a new vehicle you want to ensure stays that way? Are you tired of dressings that offer long life and fade away immediately? Ceramic Trim Restorer is specially formulated to renew faded plastic trim and bring it back to life, while ensuring it looks like new for years to come. Ceramic Trim Restorer doesn't just restore, it also protects, forming a long-lasting SiO2 infused polymeric barrier to effectively repel water, chemicals, dirt, UV rays, and other pollutants. With a quick and easy application, your trim will stay protected and maintain its pristine appearance. This high-tech gel bonds to the surface, creating a super hydrophobic barrier that lasts for months. With improved self-cleaning ability, water will bead up and roll off, leaving your trim looking cleaner and more vibrant for longer. Ceramic Trim Restorer is incredibly versatile. It's ideally suited for plastic trim of all colors, as well as rubber weather stripping, windshield cowls, bumpers, mirror housings, and even your tires. But it doesn't stop there. You can also use it to restore and protect interior plastics like door panels, door sills, or dried out dashboards. Before applying, ensure the surface is clean and dry to the touch. Rubber prep is a great option to prep exterior surfaces, and interior cleaner is our go-to for prepping interior surfaces. Apply a light amount of Ceramic Trim Restorer to a blue detail sponge or appropriate foam applicator and wipe it over the entire surface in a thin, even coat with 1 to 2 passes. This formula self-levels, but if you happen to use too much product, simply wipe over your working area with a few more passes until the excess product is evenly spread out or absorbed back into your applicator. One of my favorite applicators is our large foam swab. These are awesome for precision application to small surfaces or in hard-to-reach areas. Once fully applied, allow Ceramic Trim Restorer to cure for 12 hours prior to any exposure to moisture to maximize durability, and also be sure to remove any incidental product from painted surfaces or wheels using Speed Shine and a microfiber towel. It's worth mentioning that severely faded trim might benefit from multiple applications. For more information and reference materials, check out our how-to section on griotsgarage.com. and sign up for our emails for new product releases and special promotions. Thank you for watching, and as always, have fun in your garage.